Hey everyone, my name is Alex with Systems Refined, and today I'm going to show you how to get a task to show up in your organization when a task is created in a different organization. Let's say you are a part of 5 different Asana organizations and you don't want to check out all those different organizations multiple times a day to see if a new task has been created in a project. What you can do is create a Zapier rule that will automatically assign a new task to your inbox when a task is created in a different organization's project. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. When a new task is created in Content Calendar, which is in Asana Demo, so if I go over here, I'm in Asana Demo, a new task will be created in my Systems Refined organization into my inbox or my tasks. Okay, and in order to do that, I'm going to create a Zapier. First thing I want to do is name this Zap. And we're just going to use Asana. So when this happens in Asana, so we chose Asana, the trigger is a new task in a project. So when a new task is created in the content calendar, this rule will be triggered. Let's continue. So now I have to choose an account. And I'm just going to use mine. Now, regardless of whether or not you are actually the owner of the organization, as long as you are a part of that organization, you can use your account and it'll show up. So now I need to choose the workspace, and I said I'm going to use Asana Demo. Content Calendar, that was the one I wanted. All right, now it wants to test the trigger. So I just created this new one right here. It says, can you find me? So let's see if he can find you. And there it is. Can you find me? See, that's the right one. Then you click on continue. So next, when a new task is created in Content Calendar, what's supposed to happen? Well, it's still going to be in Asana. And what I want to happen is I want a new task to be created in my Asana. So you click on continue, my account, and I want it to be in Systems Refined. And I don't want it in a project or any section. And I want it to be assigned to me, so it'll be assigned to me. This right here. So you can put it in the inbox, or you can put it in upcoming, later, or today. I just want it to show up in the inbox. So basically, it'll show up above the today section. Now, one of the things that I'm going to do is I want the task to say a specific thing. And that's it. And next you click on continue. So, and now we are going to test. So test. Now, if I go back to Systems Refined, you see that it actually populated right here. New task in Asana Demo. Oh, so I need to put a space under the project content calendar titled, Can You Find Me? So all I got to do is just edit. There it is. Right here. So I just need to put a space. And that is it. Done editing, continue, and then now you just turn the Zap on. Now the next step is to actually test it in Asana. So let's go ahead and try that out. So I'm in Content Calendar, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a new task. And this one is gonna say, let's do write a new article for blog. Okay, now once that's created, I'll go into Systems Refined, and it'll auto-populate right up here. And there it is. It says new task in Asana Demo under the project content calendar titled write a new article for blog. And you can see it is assigned to me. It's the only way that it'll actually show up here anyway. But now I'll get a notification when a new task has been created in a project outside of my Asana organization. And that is it for this video. So I hope you found this video valuable, and if you did, go ahead and click on that like button and click on subscribe so you don't miss out on any other Asana Tips videos.